Dear students, let us see now some problems of Laplace transform. Find the Laplace transform of the function f of t is equal to t when 0 less than t less than 1. 0 when t is greater than 1. You listen here. It is 0. T takes values from 0 to 1. When t takes values from 0 to 1, function is t. When t is greater than 1, function is 0. So how can we find for such function Laplace transform? So you know we have seen many methods, right? From the beginning, after definition, properties. In properties, you know, linearity property, first shifting property, change of scale property. Linearity property we often use, right? L of first function plus second function is L of first function plus L of second function. L of some constant into function is constant into L of function, right? Those are linearity property. And change of scale property, we have not used, right, in any problems. And you need not have such problems. You need not worry about the hitting using change of scale the problem, right? Okay, next comes first shifting property. We use the first shifting property, right? And next comes Laplace transform of elementary functions. L of k by s, L of sin a t. It is a by s square plus a square. L of cos a t, s by s square plus a square. L of e to the power a t, which is 1 by s minus a. L of e to the power minus a t, 1 by s plus a. L of sin h a t, a by s square minus a square. L of cos h a t, s by s square minus a square. L of t to the power n factorial by s to the power n plus 1 when n is positive integer. L of t power n, gamma n plus 1 by s to the power n plus 1 when n is a fraction, right? And proof is also needed, okay? And after that we used the elementary Laplace transform of elementary functions and we did some problems, right? Sometimes they may ask L of cos cube t, sin cube t. You should use cos cube theta formula. Later take Laplace transform. Use linearity property, get answer, right? And you know next comes after this heading, next comes it is a Laplace transform of the problems of product of functions, right? Problems L of e power at into f of t or L of e power minus at into f of t. So you know when it is in between plus or minus, you can take Laplace transform. You can use linearity property. In case of multiplication, L of f of t into g of t cannot be written as L of f of t into L of g of t. You cannot write it as L of f of t into L of g of t. So we have methods. We look at the functions. How the product is. If it is e power at into some function, product of two functions where one is e power at or e power minus at, we should use first shifting property. What the property says? L of e power at into f of t is L of f of t s tend to s minus a. L of e power minus at into f of t is L of f of t s tend to s plus a. Find just Laplace transform of the function. Finally replace s by s plus a, right? Sometimes we may have product of two functions where one may be t or t square. In such case, we should use the different derivative of Laplace transform. L of t into f of t is minus d by ds of L of f of t. L of t square into f of t is plus d square by ds square of L of f of t. Okay? And after these two, next comes, what is next after these two? Next comes L of f of t by t model, I think so, right? What is next? Right, L of f of t by t model. L of f of t by t. L of t into f of t over. Now L of f of t by t. Integration of Laplace transform. We have Laplace transform of integral also, right? So L of f of t by t. And we have not seen any problems of this type, right? Okay. Here you can use this formula only when limit of the function exists. Okay. And after this type, what is next type problem after third? This type next comes Laplace transform of integrals and Laplace transform of integral. You can do this problem only when you know all the previous methods, right? All the earlier methods. You can do this problem only when you know all the earlier methods. First shifting and L of t into f of t, L of f of t by t, etc. Right? And here we have formula. It is 1 by s into L of f of t. 1 by s into L of f of t, right? And after this model, you know, next comes evaluation of Laplace transform. We have to find the value of evaluation using Laplace transform. Evaluation using Laplace. We have to find the value of this integral. So you cannot find the value of this integral by any other method. But when you use Laplace transform, you can get easily the answer, right? So this is next method. And after this, next comes Laplace transform of derivatives. I told you to remember it as formula, right? L of f dash of t, L of f double dash of t. And these problems are not important, okay? This proof and theorem, this proof and statement, it is very important. The problem based on this is not important, but I have given for you. Okay. And next it is, see, next it is initial value theorem, final value theorem and problems. After initial value theorem, final value theorem, next comes Laplace transform of special functions, right? Unit step function, unit impulse function. Next we have second shifting property. And listen here, under properties it should come. And listen here, I cannot discuss this property there without discussing unit step function. That's why after unit step function it has come. Okay. Okay. Next, now it is next model problem. Sometimes function may be given like this. Find the Laplace transform may be question. How will we do Laplace transform? We know formula. We have to use general formula. Split. Listen here. Interval is 0 to infinity. Actual interval. Here interval is 0 to 1, 1 to infinity. When 0 to 1 function is t. When 1 to infinity function is 0. So you have to split the integral into 2. So for this integral becomes 0, being f of t is 0. Here you should use Bernoulli formula. Just substitute the Bernoulli functions. Listen here. Bernoulli formula. Just substitute limit. When you integrate with respect to t, you must substitute limits for the letter t. Okay. Upper limit. Here lower limit is 0. 0 into the term 0. Here upper limit, lower limit. Simplify. Just leave. Okay. And we have similar model. See, f of t equal to sin t when 0 to pi. 0 when t is greater than pi. Okay. So here what we do is, we have to divide the interval into 2. 0 to pi, pi to infinite. So when pi to infinite, f of t is 0. So I have already given you in the formula list, the formula. You please go through. Substitute limit for t, e power minus s pi. So substitute for the entire term upper limit, for the entire term lower limit. Simplify and just leave. Okay. So it's very easy. It is very easy. I have given you few problems homework. Okay. Few problems homework. Using direct Laplace transform formula, when they give you f of t of this model, you have to use direct formula. Okay. Direct Laplace transform formula. And simply integrate. Okay. Which may complete this heading. Okay. We have to see next heading, Laplace transform of periodic functions. That we shall see in the next video. Okay. Thank you.